Hello everyone. If you're facing this error when you're trying to update your Windows with the error code 0x80070103, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows update error on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Update, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this pause updates option. You're going to pause your update for 5 weeks, and after that you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, open up your start menu again, write Windows Update, and then just click Resume Updates on here, and then let it check for updates, and then install the updates. And if that fixes your issue, then you're good to go. But if it didn't, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here PowerShell, and you're going to run PowerShell as an administrator. Click Yes on here, and then you're going to put these commands into the PowerShell. I'm going to put these commands into the description of the video. So just go ahead and paste these commands on here and press enter. And once you're done with that, let it do its thing. And after PowerShell executes all of those commands, you're going to go ahead, restart your computer once again. And after you're done with the restart, now when you come here and check for updates, you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.